Yes, welcome. Hello, how are you?
Hello. Fine. We like to lift to F6 supermarket.
No problem, why not?
Thank you
Please
so
have a
much.
seat.
Thank you.
How are you?
We are
Fine.
really fine, thank you very much.
Where are you from, brother?
We are from Germany.
MashaAllah,
So
MashaAllah.
much nice to meet you.
Thank you very much.
बहुत शुक्रिया that you take us. We are so happy.
Welcome, you're welcome. My pleasure, yeah, because you are my guest, you are my friend.
Thank you. Thank you.
You know, Pakistani people too much like if come somebody from out of country to see my
We are so
Pakistan.
happy to be here.
Yes,
Our
yes.
biggest honor.
Yes.
Pakistan is a very nice country. and
Thank you,
everything
thank you.
so Nice, nature.
What's your
nice,
name, brother?
people are
My name is Uwe.
Uwe.
Uwe. Yeah.
And Miss
Mika.
Nita.
Mika. M-I-K.
Mika.
Yes.
Right.
Good name, nice name.
Thank you.
Cute
Thank
name
you.
together.
Yes. We feel very well here. We like to stay here. The people are every time friendly and hospitality to us. We feel very welcome. Thank you.
Welcome, welcome. How long to come before to Pakistan?
We will stay around about 1 year here at the moment, and yes, we will see what happens. We follow the flow, and
Nice.
We never make really plans. We will
Right.
see what's possible and then we
Very
are.
we have not much, but we have time.
Very good, very good.
And we are since 2 years now on the world tour. So
2 years.
we will
Yes.
see where we go.
I think longer than stay you're in Pakistan.
Yes, most
Yes,
times.
the most time we stay here from these 2 years.
Will you visit also northern areas to Gilgit?
If it's possible, we like to do. For us, it's easier to do it with our own car, but for this we need special documents we don't have at the moment. But it's no matter. For us, we enjoy every moment.
We like
Yes.
to meet people like you and come together, get to know each other
Very
better,
good.
make a good time.
Didi,
together.
welcome from to Malik Zubair. Welcome to Pakistan.
Thank you very
Is
much.
as Pakistani, if anything, any kind of help from my side,
Thank you.
citizen of Pakistan, I can.
Thank you very much.
Everything.
Yeah.
You already help us so much.
Welcome.
You give
It's
it-
no problem.
You give us today a lift, and this is
Yes,
all what we
listen,
need
you-
at the moment, and so we are very happy. We try to take only at this moment what we really need, not more, because then all the other people can use this. And at the moment we
Yeah.
need a lift. You give it to us, and we are so much happy about this.
It's my
I
pleasure.
think we have to give each other more than every time to take, because giving is more feeling like harmony
Yeah.
in the heart, you know. And so we like to spend our time with many people who love it.
And
we like to
Pakistani
share it.
people also like to German people because very close, very close. Heart is
Yeah.
very close.
Yes.
We have to be in this way,
Yeah.
because we are all one family on the world, and
Yeah.
we have not to think about what we not have. We have to be happy about what we have and enjoy every moment.
Yeah. But now in very hot weather in Pakistan, also especially in
nice, so
Islamabad.
Yes, we are not used to it, but we
But I
like
love
it. Yes, in Germany it's half of the degrees like here.
There is very cold.
Yes.
Yeah, there is. If you maybe inshallah few days when you go to northern areas,
Yeah.
I think there is same like your Germany is weather
Then it's
temperature.
More
more
raised,
nice to
yes.
stay here.
Yes, also this time is June, July also is there snowfall.
Yeah.
Wow, I don't
Yeah.
like so much the snowball. but,
Yes.
Very
on
good
the,
area.
on the highest mountain.
Yes, the highest mountains and glacier.
No, Islamabad is very nice. Here's everything. Mountains, here's water, here's nature, everything.
Yes, Islamabad also
And warm
good
weather.
place, but every how I can explain. I think different cities, different areas, different have history
Right.
and culture.
Yes, yes, yes.
You can enjoy
And for us,
everything.
everything is new.
Yes.
So we are happy about every moment.
Yeah.
In every place you can learn another thing about
Yes, sure.
culture, nature,
Yeah,
about the people. Yes. This is what we want to discover all over the world.
Yes.
The different people, the different kind of landscapes.
yeah.
All what is possible we do, and we enjoy every moment
And
because
everywhere
of
where
people
you
like
come-
you.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Yes, so
Thank you
much.
very much.
And everywhere where you come, it's so nice.
Thank you very
Every
much.
time you only make the best experience.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
We are so much thankful for this.
Now we are in area of G6. I think where you like to go?
Finally to F6 supermarket.
But whatever is good for you.
Yes.
No problem. No problem. I drop you to F6 supermarket because it's, sun is throwing very strongly heat.
But we have
Yeah,
all around
awesome.
shadow
No
because
problem.
of the nice trees.
No problem. No problem. नाजरीन, जैसा कि मैं आपको बताता चलूँ कि ये मैं ओबर ड्राइव करता हूँ, गाड़ी चलाता हूँ। ये हमारे मेहमान हैं जो कि जर्मनी से आए हैं। इनके मुताबिक ये कह रहे हैं कि हम बाई रोड आए हैं तुर्की और ईरान के, और इन्हें पाकिस्तान बहुत अच्छा लगा और इस्लामाबाद अच्छा लगा। अभी लॉकडाउन की वजह से यहाँ पे स्ट्रक होके रह गए हैं, अभी नॉर्दर्न एरियाज़ में भी नहीं जा सके। तो मैं स्पेशली अपने जो भी इदारे हैं उनसे कोशिश करूँगा कि इनकी हेल्प की जाए। इन्होंने नॉर्दर्न एरिया के लिए विज़िट के लिए जाना है, इनकी डॉक्यूमेंटेशन में कुछ जो भी हो सके स्पेशली जो है हेल्प की जाए। मेरी तरफ से स्पेशली रिक्वेस्ट की जाती है। कैन आई आस्क यू अगेन नेम, स्पेशली पुट इनसाइड
My name
Yes.
with my language, because somebody, maybe government person, especially help for you in documentation.
It would be great,
You
yes.
can go to everywhere. You go to northern areas
Yes.
for visit.
Yes.
My name is Mika.
Mika.
M-I-K-A.
Mika and your brother.
My name is Uwe. It's spelling.
For me, is little bit difficult.
Yes.
Is normally in Pakistan
It's normal.
we
yes.
have a different name.
It's not common.
Sorry,
yeah, I
yeah,
know.
it's not common.
It's very short. It's spelled U-W-E and pronounced Uwe. Right. Yes.
Now we are at the signal of Parliament House.
Right. Yes.
Yes, yes. And so nice mountains.
Yes.
I love the Margala Hills.
Yes. Will you have both?
Yes,
Yes.
so,
Yes.
To trail 3?
so often, yes.
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 We
Very.
love it.
And also the Magala Hills in Barako, we walk many times. At the moment, we prefer to make it very early in the morning because of the big heat.
Very good.
Yes. And so in the morning it's all around very quiet, and you can meditate very good if you go to the Magala Hills, and everyone has to do it. It's
Yes. Yes.
Yes, and nature
very
is
good
so,
to get.
like from before, nobody damage some things or make some things artificial,
Yes,
I love it. It's so nice here, and you feel it.
Yes.
True nature.
Of course. Of course.
I don't know. We have not so much of this in the world, I think, because mostly the people make what they like with the nature,
Yes. Yes.
But here in the Barako, the Margala Hills are like fully natural.
Nature. Yes.
Yes, so much good. And it's so good for having more positive energy if you are tired.
Yes.
I go often there, mostly in the morning.
Yes.
Yes, it's a great source for fill up your own energy.
Yes, yes,
Yes.
totally.
Now we are in area of F6.
Yes, you can drop us wherever you like. We are totally thankful. And we only communicate in the internet.
Yes. Then how you contact your family and?
Like from the internet. Everything we make, Facebook,
Yes, like
Yes,
Skype.
with social media.
all
Right,
the
yes.
internet things.
Yes, social
Every
media.
time
Hello guys.
Thank you, Mika.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much for your
Welcome, you're welcome. See you next time, inshallah. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much. My name is Zubair, and my channel is MZ. Maybe sometime if you see MZ channel, you also must be subscribed. I think you can see there. Yes, yes. I hope you can see your videos and mostly to there. Yes. Thank you very much. Thank you. See you. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye bye. Okay, Allah. बहुत शुक्रिया नाजरीन आपका वीडियो देखने का। मेरी एक अदना सी कोशिश थी, मुझे फॉरेनर्स मिले जो जर्मनी के रहने वाले थे और यहाँ पे पाकिस्तान में बाय रोड वो टूर के लिए आए हैं। 2 साल का टूर था उनका, उसमें से 1 साल जो है वो पाकिस्तान में उन्होंने स्टे किया। तो उन्होंने मुझसे लिफ्ट मांगी, हालांकि मैं ओबर गाड़ी चलाता हूँ, और मैंने अपनी तरफ से एज ए पाकिस्तानी एक फ़र्ज़ अदा किया कि देखें लॉकडाउन की वजह से हालात हमारे भी अच्छे नहीं हैं, मगर हमें कोशिश करनी चाहिए। स्पेशली कोई फॉरेनर्स हों, अगर कहें कि हमें किसी चीज़ की हेल्प की ज़रूरत है तो हमें कोशिश करनी चाहिए जितना हम कर सकते हैं अपनी तरफ से, ताकि हमारा एक सॉफ्ट इमेज जो है वो इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे बहाल हो जितना भी हो सके। वो देखें अब जाएंगे, वापस जाएंगे, चाहे 6 महीने बाद जाएं, साल बाद जाएं, जब उन्होंने वापस जाना है तो ये एक यादाश्त रहेगी उनके दिलो दिमाग में कि देखें हम गए थे पाकिस्तान में और वहाँ पे हमारे साथ पाकिस्तानियों ने कैसा बिहेव किया, किस तरह की रिस्पेक्ट की, ये चीज़ें होती हैं। और हमें कोशिश करनी चाहिए अपने लिए ना सही, हमें अपने मुल्क के लिए स्पेशली करना चाहिए। तो मैंने अपनी तरफ से एक छोटी सी कोशिश की और छोटी सी कुर्बानी दी। एज़ ए इंसान हमें करना चाहिए किसी की हेल्प, मगर एज़ ए पाकिस्तानी भी करना चाहिए, हमें अपने पाकिस्तान के लिए भी करना चाहिए, जितनी हो सके कोशिश करनी चाहिए ताकि हमारा इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे सॉफ्ट इमेज जो है वो बहाल हो। हमारा मुल्क पुरअमन मुल्क है, तो बस अल्लाह ताला हमें जो है सारे पाकिस्तान को और पूरी दुनिया में जो स्पेशल जो कोरोना वायरस है इससे अल्लाह ताला महफूज रखे। तो मेरी रिक्वेस्ट है प्लीज़ बराए मेहरबानी MZ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा और मज़ीद जो है इंफॉर्मेटिव वीडियोस, और मैं कोशिश करता रहूँगा कि और अच्छी वीडियो बनाऊँ अपने नाज़रीन के लिए। उम्मीद करता हूँ आपको ये पसंद आई होगी मेरी एक छोटी सी काविश। बहुत शुक्रिया, थैंक यू, अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।